Hey gang, welcome back from spring break. Hope you had an awesome time, even though you're probably locked in your house like everybody else is. But in any event, welcome back to Conestoga for the fourth quarter. It looks like most of this will be through that distance learning that we started at the end of the third quarter. Just wanted to fill you guys in on some information for the fourth quarter and how I'm going to operate geometry class. Um, it's going to operate pretty much the same way I did at the end of the third quarter. It'll be a series of online activities along with videos, so on and so forth. Um, so it'll be run pretty much the same way, except in the fourth quarter, now you're going to be graded. I'll give 2-point homework assignments almost every single day. Again, in the fourth quarter, if you don't do those, that'll be a 0 out of 2. You'll have quizzes and tests, so on and so forth, probably through Schoology assessments that I'll give to you through Schoology. So that's pretty much the way I'll handle how I'm going to operate. Again, video lessons, homeworks every night that you need to turn in for 2 points, so on and so forth. Then you also have quizzes and tests on that information. All right. You will probably sent some information from Conestoga on how you guys are going to be graded for the fourth quarter. Your grade from the fourth quarter will count as long as you get a grade higher than your current average. So they'll use your grade if you get a grade higher than your current average. They will also use your grade if you get below a 65 or a failing grade. So if you do nothing, they will count that into your grade. They won't count if you pass over a 65 and get below your current average. Then they will not use that in the calculation of your grade. So again, if you do nothing and you fail, they're going to use that to calculate your final grade in the class, just so you know. And again, if you can score better than your current average, they will use that fourth quarter grade. And if you pass but don't get better than your current grade, they're not going to use that in the calculation of your final grade. So I just wanted to make that perfectly clear going into the fourth quarter. So the next video will be on the first day of notes for the for the fourth quarter. And again, you'll have homework on that as well. And again, as usual, just shoot me an email if you have any questions. All right, I'll see you in the next video.